In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop LinkedIn notification emails. If your inbox is getting cluttered with updates from LinkedIn, the good news is that you can control exactly what you receive. LinkedIn gives you a few different notification settings, so whether you want to stop all email alerts or just turn off specific types, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Start by going to your LinkedIn home dashboard. This is the main page you land on after signing in, where you normally see your feed, updates, and activity. From here, look toward the top of the page and click on the Me drop-down. This is where LinkedIn keeps your account-related options and personal settings. Once that menu opens, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the area where you can manage your account preferences, including visibility, communications, and notifications. If you have never explored this section before, don't worry, because the options you need are clearly grouped. Next, in the left-hand column, click on the Notifications tab. This is the section that controls how LinkedIn contacts you and what kinds of alerts you receive. Inside Notifications, you'll see different categories based on the type of activity LinkedIn can notify you about. Now choose one of the notification types, specifically any category you want to turn off. For example, this could be updates about your network, jobs, messages, recommendations, or other activity. The important thing here is to open the category that matches the emails you no longer want to receive. After you open that category, click on the toggle to completely turn that notification off if that option is available. In some cases, you may also see subcategories inside the main category. If you do, click into those and use the toggle to turn off email notifications there as well. This part can take a little time because LinkedIn separates notifications into several smaller sections. So you may need to go through more than one area to fully stop the emails you're getting. A helpful tip is to review each notification category carefully instead of rushing through it. That way you can keep the alerts that are useful, like important account or security updates, while turning off the ones that are just filling up your inbox. Once you've switched off the email notifications you don't want, your changes should save automatically. That's it. You've now updated your LinkedIn notification settings and taken control of the emails coming into your inbox.